Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Suunto Sonic bone conduction headphones. These headphones are designed to keep you connected to your surroundings while delivering audio through bone conduction technology. We'll be covering everything from design and comfort to sound quality and battery performance. Let's start with the design. The Suunto Sonic features a sleek neckband design that sits comfortably on your ears. Available in two colors, black and lime, they use a combination of silicone and titanium alloy, making them lightweight and durable. During my testing, which included wearing them for extended periods and during a 3-hour run, they remained comfortable without feeling bulky or cumbersome. However, it's worth noting they have an IP55 rating, so they're resistant to light rain and sweat, but not suitable for heavy water exposure. Moving on to sound quality. Bone conduction headphones like the Suunto Sonic work by transmitting sound through vibrations on your cheekbones, leaving your ears open. They offer two sound modes, normal and outdoor. The normal mode provides a balanced sound suitable for everyday use, while the outdoor mode boosts volume to combat environmental noise like traffic and wind. In both modes, the sound quality is enjoyable across various music genres, with a decent bass performance. However, at higher volumes, you may notice some vibrations, which is typical for bone conduction technology. Battery life is crucial for any wireless headphone, and the Suunto Sonic promises up to 10 hours on a single charge. During my testing, I found this claim to hold up well under normal use. However, when using the outdoor mode at higher volumes, battery drainage was more significant. The headphones support a quick charge feature, providing 3 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge, which is convenient for quick top-ups on the go. In conclusion, the Suunto Sonic bone conduction headphones are a solid choice. If you prioritize comfort and situational awareness during your workouts or outdoor activities, they deliver decent sound quality and reliable battery life, with a design that stays secure and comfortable even during long sessions. If you're looking for headphones that keep you connected to your surroundings while providing good audio performance, the Suunto Sonic is worth considering despite its minor limitations. That wraps up our review of the Suunto Sonic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.